welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for subscribing and giving all your support. If you haven't yet, please do subscribe. Today I'm going to be making a salad dressing for you, a very traditional salad dressing. It's called Thousand Island dressing. So fun fact for you, the three most popular dressings worldwide are ranch, Thousand Island and Italian dressing, right? I'll make a future video on the other two, but today I'm going to do the Thousand Island dressing. Very versatile, can be used in different ways. You can use it on sandwiches, you can use it as a dip, and it's also a very great accompaniment for a shrimp cocktail. So just use it how you want. It's a very flavorful dressing, a little rich, but today I'm going to be making a vegetarian version. So let's get started. My first step, I'm going to be cutting some vegetables that go in there. Now normally what you put in a thousand dressing is a relish, a cucumber relish. But the cucumber relish has cornstarch in it. I'm trying to avoid using cornstarch, but the rest of the components of the relish are already in here, which is sugar, vinegar and salt. So this is perfectly pickled, and let's get cutting. The key is you want to get these extremely small so they're barely visible in the dressing. Okay, so one of the things is the cutting skills. Okay, so you can see the cucumber is nicely and finely chopped, and it looks exactly like a relish without the cornstarch in it. So that's perfect. I'll move on to my onion. That's the next element. Again, get very thin slices like this. Okay, so you can see my onions also are a very fine texture, almost minced. So let's put this in our bowl, and you see those juices, those are very good. That's good stuff, you want that. So let's get all of that in there. Okay, now I'm going to put our main component, which is mayonnaise, and this is eggless mayonnaise like I told you earlier. So I want to put some of that in there. And then we have some ketchup. That's what gives it the nice pink color. So a little bit of ketchup in there. That should be good. And then I'm going to add some Worcestershire sauce, which has a lot of flavor in it. And also some apple cider vinegar. If you don't have apple cider vinegar, you can use regular vinegar as well. That works. But apple cider has a nice flavor to it, so I like to use apple cider. About that much is good. And also add some paprika. Now you don't need to add salt and pepper because Worcestershire already has salt in it, and we don't need it saltier than it's supposed to be. So all we do is now give this a good stir. I mean, I do have a whisk here, so you can use a whisk, but I'm very comfortable with my spoon, so that should work too. And the key is, when you mix this, you shouldn't see large chunks of onion or pickled cucumber in there. It should all kind of blend into a nice sauce. And there you go. That is the perfect homemade, quick and easy Thousand Island dressing. And now we'll just pour it into our dish here. So today I'm serving it with salad. It's all vegetarian. So I have some cherry tomatoes that have been grown in our backyard right here, and they're beautiful. You can see them. And I have some mini snackable bell peppers in 2 different colors. I have some celery, some cucumber, and these are soy chips, so they're very healthy. They're baked soy chips. You can use your regular chips as well. That works too. So all of that goes with my beautiful Thousand Island dressing that I'll just pop in there. And that's it, folks. You have a beautiful party platter. So if you have guests at home, you can serve them a quick salad platter. You can use this on sandwiches, on a little baguette. You can spread some thousand dressing any way you want it. It's a perfect dressing, and like I said, one of the most popular dressings in the world. I hope you enjoy this and do try it at home. I'll see you next time.